Hi, this is Steve Knight and welcome to Blackwell Global's Daily Market Update. Starting with the euro, and the pair found some support despite a disappointing retail sales result that came in below estimates at negative 0.1% month on month. Despite the negative result, the pair managed to rise slightly to close the session around the 1.0881 level. The ECB's Mario Draghi was also active overnight as the central banker commented that he would consider expanding QE if necessary, but his overall tone was less dovish than the market had expected. On the news front, keep an eye on the US non-farm payroll figures forecast at 182,000 and due shortly. Turning now to the embattled cable, and the pair was beaten into submission as the Bank of England held interest rates steady at 0.5%, whilst their rhetoric turned significantly dovish. The central bank pointed to the slowing global conditions and subsequently now forecasts the first rate hike as not occurring until the first quarter of 2017. This is a significant divergence from their hawkish tone of late, and the pair subsequently declined sharply to trade just above the 1.52 handle. On the news front, keep an eye on the UK manufacturing production figures due shortly. Moving on to the yen now, and the pair has continued to weaken against the bullish US dollar. Also, the chief economist of the IMF has suggested that deflation is a very real risk for Japan and that a permanent expansion to the money supply ought to be considered. However, the Bank of Japan seems content with temporary stimulus for now, and there is currently mounting speculation that the QE program will be extended shortly. Subsequently, keep an eye on the Governor Kuroda's speech due shortly for any hints of further stimulus for the Japanese economy. Finally, our analyst pick of the day is the euro pound, and the pair has recently risen strongly after the sharp falls of late. Taking a look at the RSI oscillator shows the indicator having retraced out of oversold back into neutral territory, which means there is plenty of room to move on the upside. Also, although depressed, the 12 and 30 EMAs are starting to flatten and are looking to tick higher. Price action remains below the 100-day moving average, but any breach of resistance at spot 71.68 could see that level coming into play. Subsequently, our bias for the pair has turned to the long side. For more information, please subscribe to our newsletters at blackwelltrader.com. This is Steve Knight, Blackwell Global. Thanks for watching.